So I started eBay dropshipping years ago, and that was my first business that really gave me the confidence to start other businesses. Now, what you need to do, guys, to start eBay dropshipping, I'm going to explain to you every single thing you need to know, guys. A lot of people want to start, but everything is very confusing. Like, they are watching a lot of videos and everyone is saying different things. Someone is trying to promote a website. Some companies pay the YouTubers the money, like to promote their software, and it's not complicated. This is an easy business that doesn't need to be complicated. It's very simple. I'm not here to promote any software. I do everything manually. I don't use any software, and you don't need, guys, to use software. I used software, and it's not really helping me. It only makes the business more difficult. Like, a lot of mistakes happen. The software doesn't understand some things that I always do. Now, if you guys want to start this business, make sure you watch this video till the end, because I am going to explain to you every single thing you need to know. Okay, first I'm going to explain to you what is dropshipping. So dropshipping is you list a product that you don't own. You find it from other suppliers, for example Amazon, AliExpress, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. You find the product there, you list it on eBay, you download the pictures from the website, and you list the product on eBay with the pictures. And when someone places an order on your store, you take the address from your eBay store and you go to the website that you are using. For example, like I said, Amazon, Walmart, like any e-commerce website, and you buy the product. Instead of putting your address, you put the address of the customer that has placed an order on your store, and then you are like, it's like you are a middleman, and then the AliExpress or Amazon or Walmart sends the product directly to the customer, and you don't have to touch anything. You take the product, the profit of a margin, for example 10%, 20%. I'm going to tell you how you can increase the profit margin. Now, like I said, guys, I'm going to explain to you every single thing I know about eBay. I don't need, guys, to promote any product or anything. I'm just going to do this for free. Okay, guys, you just want to, like I said, watch this video till the end. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, is to find a very good supplier that you can use to find products so that you can list them on eBay. So when someone places an order, you go to that website and then you send the item directly to the customer or buyer on your eBay. Now, you might be wondering, what is the best supplier? Now, you have used, since I started eBay dropshipping, it's been 3 years, and I have used 2 suppliers. The first one that I have used is AliExpress. Okay, so I was using AliExpress since I started doing dropshipping on eBay. I was using AliExpress because I can find a very cheap item here, and the profit margin sometimes is literally like 60%, 70%, and that's what I like, guys, about eBay dropshipping. Now, if you are starting and you don't know what supplier you are going to use, I'm going to recommend, guys, 2 suppliers. The first one is AliExpress, the second one is Walmart. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can, if someone opens the keys, if someone opens a dispute, or the product is not received, what you are going to do. I'm going to explain to you in a few seconds that. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, is to focus on these 2 suppliers. Okay, I haven't tried Amazon, and I tried only 2 suppliers, and they worked for me. I got a lot of sales. I'm talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars doing these exact things that I'm about to show you in this video. Like I said, I was only using Walmart and AliExpress. Now, how I use these platforms, what I do to find winning product, because that's the most important thing, guys, is to find a winning product. I see a lot of sellers, they list hundreds of listings, but they don't get sales because they don't know how to find a winning product. Okay, now let me start right now. For example, you go to Walmart. Okay, you search for a product. It could be any product, for example gaming desk. Okay, now after you scroll down a little bit, you find any item here, find it. Okay, don't let other people lie to you, like they tell you that you can easily find winning product, you just do this and that. It's very easy. This is the only hard part about dropshipping, is to find a winning product, and I'm going to explain to you guys how you can find a winning product right now. So for example, you want to find a random product, click on it. Okay, now what you need to do guys now is to find a competitor on eBay. This product is selling 100%, it got a lot of sales, but on Walmart it didn't work on eBay. So even if it has a lot of sales on Walmart, it doesn't matter, because we want to find a product that is proven to work on eBay. Okay, so this is very simple. Copy the title of this item. Okay, search for competitors on eBay. We want to find if other sellers are selling this item, and we want to find if people are selling this item. It's not just you just listed the item and then it doesn't matter. We want to find someone who listed this exact item and they have at least 3 sales or at least 2 sales. Okay, now you want to, like I said, copy the title, search for it on eBay. And now what you need to do guys next, you want to find people who are selling this exact item. As you can see, this one is selling this exact item. Let me check. Yes, as you can see, it's selling for 100. This one is selling it for 300. Yeah, for example, I'm just going to go with the first one, and this guy has 0 feedback. So don't even waste your time. If someone has 0 feedback, don't even try to copy them. Okay, I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to the next one. This one has the exact same product. He listed the exact same product, but the problem here is this item doesn't have any sale. Okay, even if we list this exact item, it's not going to get any sale, and it's not going, like we are just wasting our time, because if it has 3 sales, or at least the item has been sold once, then we can start listing this item. Now if we don't find any sale in the item that we are looking for, at least we have found someone who is dropshipping from this Walmart. Okay, that's what we want. Go to their store, click on the username, and next thing you want to do guys, you want to scroll down. Okay, this guy is dropshipping from Walmart, and we can copy other successful listings, and we can start listing these successful listings on our eBay store. Click on see all, and then scroll down, and then click on sold items, and here you can find this item has been sold. Okay, for example, this item. Okay, now what you need to do guys, like I said, this is not going to be easy, because a lot of YouTubers, they already find the product, they find the winning product before they make the video. So it's going to take you guys some time. There is nothing wrong with you if it takes you 2 hours to find the product. Nothing wrong. It will pay off at the end. Okay, just give it some time, find a winning product, and then list it. Now as you can see, like I said guys, you can see here this item is selling for 380, and this one has been sold for 1 time. Okay, 1 time. So you may say, okay, I want to find something that has been sold for 3 times. Yes, that's what you need to do guys. This is just an example. After you find the product that has 3 sales, then you have to copy the title of the product on eBay and search for it on Walmart, so that you can find the exact product, so that you can start listing it. Okay, let me check. Okay, I'm going to find it right now. So this is the product. As you can see, it's the exact product. As you can see, yeah, this is the exact product. Now what you need to do guys, after you find a product that has, like I said, 2 sales or 3 sales, then you download the pictures from Walmart, click on the picture, right click, save the picture as, and download these pictures. And what you need to do guys next, you want to copy the title. Again, please listen to me, you only list a product that has 3 sales. Okay, 3 sales. If something has only 1 sale, you can list it, there is no problem. But if you want to take your eBay store to the next level, you want to get a lot of sales, $300 per day. I was doing like 400, 500, 1000. doing the exact steps that I'm showing you, but I don't list products if it doesn't have 3 sales on eBay. Okay, I find the product, if it has 3 sales I list it, if it doesn't 3 sales I don't waste my time. Okay, now you want to download the pictures from Walmart, and then you want to copy the title of eBay seller, not AliExpress seller. I'm sorry, not Walmart seller. Now you want to copy this title here, as you can see, and then you want to click on sale in the top. Okay, you want to click on sale in the top, and then you start selling. You paste the title of eBay seller. The reason why you have to copy the title of eBay seller, because that title is proven to work on eBay. So even if you copy the title on Walmart, but it's proven to work on Walmart and not on eBay. Okay, now that's what you need to do, guys. You want to copy that, paste that title of eBay seller, and then click continue without match, select a new, and then continue the setting. And then, guys, you want to click this X. This is a new store that I have created for this video. And then you want to add the photos here, and then you want to add all the photos. And here where it says the color, everything here, you can find it on Walmart. Just scroll down and you will find the description from Walmart, and you can see that this, as you can see, everything is here. The specifications, you can find everything, and then you can add the specifications here, the set in clothes and stuff like that. The description, you want to copy it from Walmart. The only thing you copy from eBay seller is the title, because it's proven to work. Okay, and then you copy paste it here. Make sure the description doesn't have anything that says that has a relationship with Walmart. So if someone, like some people on AliExpress, they add the AliExpress logo or anything like that, you don't want to do that. You want to delete anything that says something that talks about the supplier that you are using. If you are, for example, if you see Walmart or AliExpress in the description, delete it. Okay, and then you want to add the price. Like, I'm going to leave you with this. Like, listing an item is very easy. If you don't know how to list, just go to YouTube and search for how to list an item from Walmart to eBay. Okay, now the only thing, guys, I want you to do is to find the products that have 3 sales. That's it. You don't have to do anything. And after you get a sale, you go to Walmart, click add to cart, pay for it, add the address of the buyer that has purchased from you. And if someone opens a return or anything like that, by the way, this is not something you should worry about. It's very easy. If someone opens a keys from you, refund them, go to Walmart, do the same thing. Okay, if you want to return the item, do the same thing. Go to Walmart, get your money back from Walmart, and that's it, guys. And then refund the buyer. Most of, like 99% of the buyers, they don't really open a keys or dispute. Okay, it's not something very hard. It's very easy. Now someone is knocking, so noise, sorry for the noise, guys. Now, like I said, guys, if someone opens a keys, return or something like that, do the same steps on, like, do the same thing on, like, you don't want to send it to Walmart. You just want to refund the part of the refund. For example, if they have bought the item from you for $20, like refund them, contact them and tell them that you are going to offer them $10 and close the dispute. And you do that. You don't even have to return the item. Like, you don't, if you don't want to find out that you are dropshipping from Walmart, you can do that. So drop a like. That's exactly, guys, what you need to do. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys next video. Have a good day.